The Directorate of Education has issued a circular in view of the reports of spread of viral conjunctivitis in the state as widespread preventive measures among students. The circular issued and signed by the Director of Education School L. Nandakumar Singh mentioned that as per recommendations of the Directorate of Health Services Manipur, all schools in the state should follow certain guidelines while dealing with the epidemic viral conjunctivitis. As per the guidelines, if 1 or 2 students are infected in a school, the infected student may be given leave for 10 days. If 3 or more students are infected in a class, then the whole class may be closed for 10 days. In a school, if 3 or more students are infected in 3 or more different classes, the school may be closed for 10 days. In case of hostels, if any inmate of the hostel is infected, the inmate may be sent home for 10 days. If more than 3 inmates are infected in a hostel, the hostel may be closed for 10 days. Proper hand washing practice should be encouraged among the students and teachers alike. The circular further mentioned that proper safety measures should be taken to control the spread of the viral conjunctivitis among the school-going population at the school level, which will go a long way in controlling the epidemic at the state level.